What happened? Leaves. Don't pick it, please. No, that's not nice. What are you doing, Aiden? Do you need to go potty?
No potty.
Aiden? Do you need to go potty?
No.
What are you doing right there? Huh? I don't know about you right now. I think I'm on to you. Yeah? Pants are falling down. Careful. Oh! Careful, careful. Stand up. Your knees. Shake them off. Shake them off. Your toes too. Oh, no.